Good morning, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, all my beautiful audience. Please clap for yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you. Do take care of yourself. Whatever I can share with you, I am sure that you will get the benefit of it in day-to-day profession. Sustainable business. All these we are talking during the corona period, because the situation has come where the people are not able to pay the salary, where people are not able to pay the material cost, where people are not able to pay the labor supply cost, where people are not able to give the canteen reimbursement, where so many things are there. Because when money is not there, money is everything. When money is not there, your all love is gone, your all smile is gone, your all pleasure is gone. Now, how to make the sustainable organization? Few tips I am having with me. That very important thing. Sustainable means what? मतलब कंपनी कैसे जिंदा रह सके टफ टाइम में, एडवर्स टाइम में हम कैसे अपने AQ मीन्स एडवर्सिटी क्वाशेंट का इस्तेमाल करके हम कंपनी को कैसे वाइब्रेंट रख सकें, जिंदा रख सकें। मेरे दोस्त, मैं हमेशा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपने घर से और घर की एक्टिविटीज़ से तुलना करता हूँ। ये मैंने सीखा है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप लोग भी इस धारणा को, प्रवृत्ति को डेवलप कर लेते हैं, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बेटर वे व्हाट डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तव इज सेइंग। द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हाउस, द मैनेजमेंट इन द कंपनी इज द मोर और लेस पैरेलल। देयर इज द MD, हियर इज योर डैडी। There is the finance minister, here is your mother is the finance minister, and so on. So how you make your home sustainable? You immediately talk about the money. यार, your daddy talk about the money, your mama talk about the money. ये कम कर दो, वो कम कर दो। चावल आप बासमती खाते थे तो अब आ जाइए कोलम पे। आप दाल इस कैटेगरी का खाते थे, आप आ जाइए इस कैटेगरी पे। हम महीने में इतना इन्वेस्ट करते, एक्सपेंडिचर हमारा था, उसको हम जो है 20% 30% कम करें और देखें कि हम कैसे अच्छे तरीके से रह सकते हैं। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू स्टॉप योर एक्ट एंड एक्टिविटीज़, नो, बट यू रेशनलाइज एंड कंट्रोल एंड एक्ट एंड एक्टिविटीज़। दैट इज़ द मेन अप्रोच ऑफ द मेकिंग द सस्टेनेबल होम एंड दस मेकिंग द सस्टेनेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सी द कैश फ्लो. Your cash flow is weakening, and you are having the same kind of the expenditure. You are not taking care of your cash flow, per day cash flow, then you will not stand anywhere and nobody can support you. So you have to give a thought that the organization, another example is boat, that before the boat sinks, before the organization destroys, you take care of that. All the expenditure, all the overheads and money is under control. Especially this corona period. From 5-6 months we are struggling and we don't know what is the further fate, that it will continue. Another people are saying it may continue 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't want to have this kind of the discussion. It's our fate. एंड वी कैन से ओनली दैट कोरोना महाराज, अब आप जाइए, आपका स्वागत, अब आप जाइए, हमें ब्रीथ करने दीजिए। लेट द पीपल गेट द रिटर्न बैक द जॉब, लेट द पीपल कम बैक ऑन द टास्क, लेट द इकोनॉमी ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री और कंपनी कम बैक एंड रिटर्न बैक व्हाट इट वाज, सो दैट पीपल कैन बी गिवन द पीसफुल एंड हैप्पी लाइफ। व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दैट कंट्रोल द ओवरहेड, I am talking to you, control the overhead related to the electricity bill also. Don't think that big chunk you will control, then you are under control. No, my dear friend, even small things you have to control. I overheard from a MD that give the resources what people are asking, but don't waste the resources. Spend the money for welfare of the employee, but make the use of it. It should not happen that you provided, you given, and later on is in the drawer, not making the use. Maybe that I am talking to you about the 500 rupees things demanded. When I am talking the sustainable business, allow me to talk very small, very small thing that कोई भी न्यू आदमी आएगा, हमें डायरी चाहिए, इस तरीके की डायरी चाहिए। बहुत छोटा एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूं आपको, आपने दे दिया अच्छे दिन में, और आपने देखा कि वो आदमी एक भी शब्द उसमें नहीं लिखा हुआ है। फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 months or even year is over, he has not written any small thing. Has he justified his demand? And you are not, you as a company in charge, you are not saying anything because you are having happy hours. But those happy hours are not today. So you have to give a very, you have to have the very strict vigil on each and every expenditure. पेंसिल, स्टेडलर पेंसिल, पेंसिल से काम चल सकता है। अगर 10 रुपए की पेंसिल से काम चल रहा है तो आप 300 रुपए का स्टेडलर पेंसिल क्यों? ठीक है, वो सब होता था, एक जबान कहा जाता था, एंड स्टेडलर पेंसिल वाज कमिंग विद इवन वी हैव नॉट गिवन आवर चॉइस, द बेस्ट केम टू अस। बट माय डियर फ्रेंड, in this worst scenario, you have to give a thought that where your single penny is going, 1 रुपया कहाँ जा रहा है। And when you develop this and make a habit, then you will handle the balance sheet. Then you will talk about 50 crore, 100 crore, 200 crore, 1000 crore, how to make this sustainable business. You purchase the material. After labor, there is the material cost. You purchase the material under credit, under barter system, under exchange of services and product system, and then you can sustain. Earlier in happy hours, you were given, okay, how much it is? 5 crore cost. Okay, it take the 5 crore check and bring the material. But today you may not be in that position. So you have to work on your repo. You have to offer the barter system. You have to think that give more credit. Earlier you were giving 15 days credit, 1 month credit. Now you give me 4 month credit, and then I can produce something, and then I can sell, then I can pay you, and that's way both the organization working on the mutual interest. Sustainability is not the very big thing. Sustainability is not a mountain. Sustainability is not a tal ठोकना. Sustainability, give attention on how you are spending, how you are projecting the expenditure of 1 rupee. 1 rupee, and then you will save thousands crore. Then you will save 500 crores. Or then you will save out of 100 crore. Make this kind of the habit. It should come in your habit. All the work should continue. Where the welfare amenities were high-fi, reduce it to the minimum bare. Where production cost was going high and high in happy hours, reduce it. The things which can be made our production, even if not given 3 days, 4 days, 5 days or week, reduce it, though earlier you were using every day. Having said all these things, I am not saying that you compromise on the quality and result of the services and production. Maintaining the quality and voluminous production, what was going on. If you are maintaining with the reasonable manpower, controlling the salary, controlling the overheads, you will make sustainable business. And it is not managing director chairman, it is not the executive director, it is not the CEO of the company who will make the sustainable business. Oh, they may be thinker, they may be strategic partner, they may think, but you are also important. My dear friend, I don't want to talk much big things. I want to talk to you that a peon also can make the sustainable business from his approach, from his thought. How? Earlier in a happy hours, from the kitchen of the pantry or from the pantry, 2 lakhs rupees per month was being spent during happy hours. Today is rough hour. We are having boulders and boulders on your path. We have to give a thought that how we can make our company to sustain, breathe during this adverse situation. That 2 lakh rupees can be brought down to 25,000 rupees. It can be. It can be. सूप भी मिल रहा है, बनाना भी मिल रहा है, फ्रूट्स भी मिल रहा है, टी भी मिल रहा है, कॉफ़ी भी मिल रहा है, एनी ब्रांड का सब कुछ मिल रहा है. माय डियर फ्रेंड, इट वाज द हैप्पी आवर्स. कम डाउन इन योर हाउस. व्हाट यू से, व्हाट योर डैडी से, भाई देखिए चाय आप 2 बार बनाइए. और अगर बेटे ने बोला मम्मा जरा एक प्लीज़ कॉफ़ी दे दो, तो आपके फादर बोलते हैं बेटा टाइम पे चलो, क्योंकि वी हैव टू make this sustainable house. It is not the matter of 1 cup of coffee. You have to bring in the habit that less expenditure and rational expenditure we should meet, we should not. So what you are about to drink today, sip today, a coffee at 1 o'clock, you take at 4 o'clock when regular coffee will come, when regular tea will come, and then you sip it. Why your daddy says? Because you want to make the sustainable house. Similarly, CMD, MD, strategic thinker, they are the people to control that what we need to do, what kind of the cost we have to reduce, cellular phone cost, telephonic cost, automatization cost, so many costs, Xerox cost, stationery cost. These are the small things I am talking to you. In happy hours, Xerox wastage are going like anything, nobody taking care. MD is also seeing from his open eyes, CEO is also seeing, departmentals are also seeing, administration is also seeing. ठीक है भाई चलता है जाने दो, वातावरण मत खराब करो. But when you have tough time, when sustainability is questioned, my dear friend, you have to take care of the things like overheads like stationery and Xerox. I believe I have given more insight to you. Last but not least, please make the sustainability in your habit. Don't control 500 rupees, control the 1 penny, but it should be in your habit. You will save 1,000 out of 1,000 crore, 500 crore and 100 crore. Thank you very much.